Here's how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So let's say that I want to have my YouTube link right over here, so I'm going to show you how I can do that. So first you want to go onto YouTube. I'm going to click on share, copy link. And then now basically I'm going to exit out, go back into TikTok. And then now I'm going to click on edit profile. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down, and then right here, there's an option to add your YouTube at the very bottom. I'm going to click on add YouTube. Now you want to click on allow at the very bottom. Right here on the right hand side next to add friends, there's a YouTube icon. If we click on it, it's going to automatically direct us to my YouTube. However, let's say that you want to add a clickable link that is not YouTube or Instagram, such as Discord right over here. And as you can see, if I'm trying to click on Discord, but it actually does not work. So what you want to do from here is click on the 3 bars at the top right corner. And then now you want to click on settings and privacy. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom, and you're looking for support and about, because under support and about, there is report a problem. You want to click on report a problem. Now in report a problem, what you want to do is go down to topics, and then from here you want to click on account and profile. Now you want to click on editing profile, and then now you want to click on changing account bio. And right here you want to click on no, and simply click on need more help at the very bottom. So now that you're going to be led up to this TikTok page where you basically tell TikTok customarily what you want them to help you with. Hey TikTok, please enable my clickable link on TikTok, thanks. And what you can also do is basically add an attachable screenshot at the very bottom, and then simply after that, click on submit.